Hairete. My name is Darius and this is the world that was. Today I'll be making a very quick and easy sesame snack from the Cretan Iron Age. A treat so sweet that it's still popular today, with a few adaptations of the original recipe of course. The Koptoplakous, as it's known in antiquity, or the Pasteli, as it's known today. In any case, let's now take a look at the world that was. To begin with, we need to lightly brown and toast 200 grams worth of sesame seeds. Do this by tossing them into a very hot pan and letting them cook away over a high heat for a couple of minutes. Keep them moving around so they'll be able to toast evenly. Do this for about 5 minutes, nor until your seeds are very fragrant and nutty. Take these off of the heat, but keep them warm while you deal with the honey. Place a pot onto a high heat. Into this, scoop about 200 grams worth of honey and let it heat up. Keep stirring it occasionally with a wooden spoon so it doesn't stick and burn. Let the honey cook away over a high heat until it foams up significantly. Much like boiling milk, this can happen very suddenly and might catch you off guard. If it looks like it's getting too high, take it off the heat and it'll cool back down fairly quickly. But be very careful, this can and will stick to you and scald you. After about 10 minutes of foaming, turn the heat down to low before tossing in your toasted sesame seeds. Stir all of this together and let it cook down for another 5 to 10 minutes. The honey should start to turn a deeper golden brown. If it starts getting too dark, take it off the heat immediately, before it burns. Whenever everything's been mixed together and cooked down, pour it out onto a baking tray lined with paper. Spread it out using a spoon into a very thin layer, but not too thin. Let it sit like this for about 20 minutes or so before slicing it into segments with a knife, just for ease of use. You can serve this up whenever it's been freshly cut like this, or you can leave them to cool and re-solidify overnight. Either way, whichever way you serve this up, the finished dish is super sweet and has a very delicious hot nutty flavour, thanks to the toasted sesame seeds. The modern name for this dish, Pasteli, has its origins in medieval Italian cuisine, as this kind of sweet treat is very common throughout Europe, the Near East, Asia, and the Indian subcontinent and beyond. Though, obviously, each region has its own takes on the basic formula, such as the addition of local spices, nuts, or other ingredients. As such, this is a localized variant of a very common dish from antiquity that is both fun and easy to make. In any case, I hope you all enjoyed this quick look at the world that was. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like on this video, or possibly even subscribing to my channel for some more ancient recipes.